Hello, Scorpio. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Scorpio July the 21st to July the 23rd reading, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Ayan, Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So I feel like meron tayo ditong sinasabi dito na, uy, mag-ingat-ingat kasi merong lesson, no? Na mag-ingat tayo kasi may lesson, no? It's either, well, sa isang banda, lesson can be, you know, we can use that for growth. Pero I feel like kailangan kasi natin mag-take ng action, no? Kung medyo malilate pa tayo, no? I think that this is going to impact heartache, heartbreak. I feel like parang stress tayo na or baka doon na papunta sa stress level. Huwag na nating antayin pa na umakyat, no? Itong level na ito. I feel like if you actually need to pause, stop, walk away, I think that you're pushing the envelope, for you to see what's gonna happen. There's actually a message here: save yourself, from the pain. Scorpio, sabihin kasi natin dito, napaka risk taker mo, no? That's actually a part of you. Hindi kasi lahat ng giyera, no? Ikaw talaga pinapagalitan ka. Hindi kasi sa lahat ng giyera or lahat ng laban, kailangan patulan, no? Sometimes it's much better to be quiet than to be right, no? But then again, this is you, Scorpio. I should fight for my right. Okay. I'm not saying that is bad, ha? That's what's supposed to be, no? Dapat pinaglalaban natin yung tama. Pero katulad nga ng sinabi ko, hindi lahat ng tama, baka naman din, mas lalong lumaki. Kung kaya pang i-remedyohan, why not? If you're really ready to burn the bridge, then by all means, you're good at that, no? Kung wala na talagang balikan to, by all means. With the Ace of Wands, kanina ko pa yung nakikita, the Justice, the Prince of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Oh wow. Baka naman din kasi nami-misinterpret tayo, no? Itong masyado natin pagiging friendly or pakikipag-usap or pagiging close, baka naman iba yung impression sa atin, no? For a few numbers of you, baka iniisip nitong person na to that you're easy to get. Because what I am seeing is the Ace of Wands, which is a phallic card, no? Baka ang gusto lang nito is makascore. There is actually something in here that's very thirsty. I don't want to say intimate yet, because intimate supposed to have the mutual feelings of each other, but I feel like this is more of a thirst rather than emotion. I don't want to judge yet, and I don't want to preempt. Wala naman dito lahat yung card, pero so far that's what is very dominant with the Ten of Wands and the Nine of Cups. Hindi porket gusto mo, makukuha mo. Nako, Kasi kaninong langing yun? Hindi porket gusto mo. I think it's John Lloyd. Hindi lahat ng gusto mo, makukuha. I don't know. Remind me. Basta alam ko it's a sikat movie, no? I feel like ito yung gusto mong sabihin or baka ito yung gusto sabihin sa any person. One thing's for sure, someone might not gonna get what they wanted. Well, I hope, no, kung sino man itong gustong manlamang, no, wag sana kasi makakasakit tayo ng damdamin. With the Strength card, the Queen of Wands, and the Judgment, so natatakot tayo magsalita. Natatakot tayong i-call out yung tao. Why? The justice is here. No, it kind of make me feel that whatever it is, I don't want to say that you are. Sabihin na natin, sige, you're protected, but you also have to protect yourself. It's not always um ibigay natin, no? O sa kesera-sera, whatever happens, happens. Sometimes we also, bakit tayo binigyan ng brain, no? We have to protect ourselves from all these, sabihin natin, things. Kasi parang we're seeing writings on the walls, no? Pero we opted not to look at it. We opted not to interpret it. With the Four of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. I feel like the message in here is more of give the person, well, kumbaga kasi you're giving too much without knowing that you are somewhat being, kumbaga you're opening a loophole, you're opening a hole or a gray area na parang okay na sa akin yan. No, you have to set boundaries. You have to let them know what you truly want because you might gonna give this person, wala man sa pagkatao nila, they might think na okay lang ba yun? You're gonna give them some ideas that you can be taken for or taken advantage of, no? Whether it is money, Pentacles shows up a lot, especially dito sa last, spread natin. It might be some abundance. It might be literally money, it could be your time, effort, energy. Hinay-hinay lang. Kung meron man tayong pagkakatiwalaan dito, it's the divine timing. If there's something here na minamadali natin, medyo hinay-hinay lang, let's give the person what needs to be given, what they asked for, wag yung sobra-sobra. I think that's the message for you here, no? Kasi hindi porke kaya mo ibibigay mo lahat, no? So I'm gonna be honest and straightforward with you. Baka kaya sa una pa lang medyo gusto kitang pagalitan. But at the end of the day, that's still your life. This is just guidance, no? So, Scorpio, let's check here the emotion. It could be your emotion, it could be your person's emotion. What's the point of it all? And I dream about a future with you. So, nakita nyo naman yung contrast, di ba? What's the point of giving you my time if you're giving me a lot of your time? No need for me to exert effort. No need for me to prove to you your worth. Yun yung parang nakikita kong gustong sabihin naman ng kabilang parte, no? So, bakit pa kita tatawagan kung nandiyan ka naman, no? Bakit pa kita tatawagan kung you always show up, di ba? Kasi your dream about the future with the person, no? Parang say you're very sure. But for me, ganun ba? Okay. Kumbaga, wala man siya sa hinagap ko or hindi man ako ganong klaseng tao. If you're giving me a chance, this is life. This is a matter of survival. So, if you're giving the person a chance to not really, yeah, sabihin natin take advantage of you. By all means, the person is going to take that opportunity, no? So, Scorpio, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Uh, I am seeing Leo, uh, Libra. Walang water sign. See? It's all ones. Naghahanap ako ng water sign, no? Or what? Yeah, water placement. Wala. So, yeah. Scorpio, this is your reading. Si Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin. Subscribe po kayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo dun. So kung gusto niyo po sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo maabutan, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Scorpio, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box, there's actually a link. No, nandun po yung question form, how much per question, QR code, nandun po yung sabihin natin name that you can compare with for reference, no? The number, nandun po lahat. So, Scorpio, kung I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. That's actually a promotion. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. And tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. One down, may isa pa po, no? Report that and screenshot, email it to the email that I posted on this description box. And then once magapi natin lahat yan, we are going to actually pick a winner for a private reading. So this is your reading again. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.